Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to increase the app switching speed with gesture control on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So you can maximize the multitasking speed using gesture-based navigation instead of buttons. So here, if you want to go ahead and change apps, so for example, you want to go on to move to Google Chrome, or you want to go ahead and open up the Play Store, you need to first go ahead and tap on this app switcher, then go ahead and find your app and then tap on it. This is, however, slow. So let me show you a quick way of switching apps with gesture control. So here you need to first go ahead and open up the quick panel menu, tap on settings, scroll down and find display. Now you want to go ahead and scroll down and find navigation. The navigation bar, tap on this. From here, you want to go ahead and switch to swipe gesture. Now once that's done, go back to your home. Now if you want to go ahead and switch apps, just go ahead and swipe right or left. And this will basically allow you to switch apps instantly. So this gives you a smoother transition, more screen real estate, and faster access between apps. So this is perfect for power users. So there you go guys, that is how to increase the app switching speed with gesture control on your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.